How to fix Snapchat SS06 error. Device banned fix F and legit. Have you opened Snapchat and suddenly seen the SS06 error saying your device is banned? That can be frustrating, especially when you don't even know what went wrong. In this video, I'll explain what the Snapchat SS06 error means, why it happens, and the official and safe ways you can try to fix it without breaking Snapchat's rules. Welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about the Snapchat SS06 error, also known as a device ban. I'll walk you through the real reasons behind this error and the legitimate steps you can take to recover access or avoid this issue in the future. First, let's understand what the SS06 error actually is. Snapchat shows the SS06 error when it temporarily or permanently bans a device for violating its terms of service. This usually happens due to repeated login attempts using third-party apps, suspicious activity, or sending too many friend requests in a short time. Now let's move to the steps you should follow. Step 1. Stop trying to log in immediately. If you keep attempting to log in again and again, the ban duration can increase. Close the Snapchat app completely and give it some time. Step 2. Wait for the ban period. In many cases, the SS06 error is temporary and can last anywhere from 24 hours to several days. During this time, do not attempt to log in from the same device. Step 3. Check for third-party apps. If you've ever used modified apps, plugins, or automation tools with Snapchat, uninstall them immediately. Snapchat strictly detects and blocks devices linked to such apps. Step 4. Update your Snapchat app and phone software. Make sure you're using the latest official version of Snapchat from the Play Store or App Store and that your device software is up to date. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. Go to Snapchat support, select I can't access my account, and submit a request explaining the SS06 error. Be honest and professional. While Snapchat does not guarantee unbans, this is the only official way to appeal. Here's a pro tip. If your device gets unbanned, avoid aggressive activity like mass adding friends, rapid messaging, or logging in and out repeatedly. Normal usage helps prevent future bans. To sum it up, the Snapchat SS06 error means your device has been banned due to policy violations or suspicious behavior. The safest solution is patience, removing third-party apps, keeping your device updated, and contacting official Snapchat support. If this tutorial helped you understand the SS06 error, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple how-to guides, and comment below. Have you ever faced a Snapchat device ban before?